The markets have been running and running and running for the last few months. If you are long, congratulations. Are you going to know when to get out? If you are short, when do you cover? If you are flat, when are you going to participate? I am Bagger Don at Stock Market Caddy, CADDIE.com, and today is Saturday, March 9th. I'm going to show you something over the next few minutes that very well could change your trading life. If you would like to be able to make a decision to get in or get out or get short a stock in the privacy of your own home or office without having to subscribe to the IBD, the Wall Street Journal, or God knows, not have to watch CNBC, we built this tool for ourselves and we share this tool with our members. SMC, the Swing Machine Plus. This has all 500 stocks loaded in, which I'm going to show you. The trade signal comes in here, long or short. Yes, you can make money on the way down. This column, the alert column, tells us how old or how recent the trade is. We need to have 2 consecutive days to confirm the signal. When we get 2 days, you'll get a 2 here. If it's long, it'll be green. If it's short, it'll be red, and it'll be shrouded in white. You can have these signals emailed to your desktop or to your phone. When we get down here, this is 3 days, 3, and they begin to count the days, which I'm going to show you. The profit is based on a $10,000 investment. You may only want to use 5. You may want to use 50,000. That would be up to you, and you can change that by a specific setting. The percent return tells you how much up or down in percentage terms you are since the signal. It tells you the entry price, would have been the ideal entry price, and the entry date. This gives you the trend information, and this gives us a view of the fear gauge. Now, let me show you something. I'm going to sort. 85 days ago, the machine went long NVIDIA. You would be up 91%. 91%. $9,000 on 10,000. The trend is very strong. Now, NVIDIA did come back several percent just yesterday. Would you have known that? Would you have known that was in the offering? Yes. On the fear gauge, NVIDIA was pushing into euphoria. Euphoria. We know from a probability standpoint, the likelihood that NVIDIA is going to pull back to its mean is about 95% over the next 20 days. We told our members that. Aggressive traders may have tried to fade it, but those members that were long from an investment standpoint could have used options to protect that drawdown. AMD. Now, I don't have time to go through every single one, but I am going to show you so that you can slow the video down. Now, pay close attention to the percentage return and the number. Number 1 is the label row, so we'll have to subtract, but we want to see, you want to see how many stocks is Swing Machine, and we're sometimes up big, 31%, on a short of Charter Communications. So we can make money on both sides of the ball. We're going to scroll down and down and down. So you can see the percentage scrolling down. We're going to show you how many stocks is Swing Machine profitable in. And there you have it. Out of 500 stocks, 428 are profitable since the signal. The yellow ones mean he is flat. So let's scroll down. So he's not up or down. So out of 500 stocks, 439 are either profitable or flat. And yes, the remainder are in fact down a little bit. And you'll notice the worst one is just 7%. Swing Machine will not stay wrong for long. He does not have an ego. He is not trying to be the smartest guy in the room. We can do this with the S&P 500. We can do this with the NASDAQ 100. And let me just dress this up a little bit and show you very quickly the same thing. That's actually the longest, the oldest. Let's do it in percent return. Here are some of the same stocks. Here's Facebook. Here they are. So out of 100 stocks, how many stocks is Swing Machine profitable? 84. 83 to 84% of the stocks are profitable. The remainder are suffering a drawdown, and the worst one is 8%. Folks, we don't give you the fish. We teach you how, which is more valuable than any of our tools, but we're also going to give you the tools as an annual member. As a monthly member, you get to see these signals on a video every single night. I invite you to visit stockmarketcaddy.com, peruse the website, write down your questions, and if you still have questions and you want to call me over a weekend, evening, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. any day. We had one member call me on New Year's Eve. Susan asked me, "Are you going to take that phone call, Don?" I'm like, absolutely. Somebody wants to talk to me at 3 in the afternoon on New Year's Eve. That's just the person I want to speak to about the markets. You can reach me at 813-758-8263. Now the markets are expected, and we are expecting high volatility. We love high volatility. So I hope you won't wait until New Year's Eve. Time, the most valuable commodity of all. You can't buy it, you can't sell it, you can't trade it. You just don't want to waste it. Good luck, everybody.